My name is Yash. I work as an avionics technician at Lasar. I carry out ADSB installs and the navigation systems and all the troubleshooting needed for an avionics system to work. So as we are aware of the ADSB and 2020 mandate, we at Lasar Inc. have all the equipments required for the install. Once the install is done, we do the configuration check and do all the inspection required for the transponder to see that it's getting the heading, the navigation display to be transmitted on the 530 or 430 or any other navigation unit, and it's a VOS capable unit as well. So the customer have the access to the remote unit or the built-in panel mount install. So we at Lasar work on not only on Mooney aircrafts, but we also work on Piper, Bonanza and Cessna planes as well. We at Lasar will be happy to schedule an appointment for ADSB out, and we have a couple of schedule appointments for ADSB. At the same time, we offer shuttle services. If you are outside Lakeport, so just give us a call and we'll be happy to get an appointment for you. We also offer a free ADSB out install and correspondence check, which is called the ADSB out certification box, which we have here at Lasar. So if you want to just test your equipment, feel free to just give us a call and we'll do it for you.